Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to solve this cube. So this is actually really simple. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is called notation. So notation is these are letters written to make an algorithm. So they're written like R, L, and every letter represents a move on the cube. So the first move is R. R is like this. Take the right side, move it up. The way I remember this is R is the corner stays, the corner that's in the bottom doesn't move. This is not R. That is not R. This is R. And now L. L is like this. L is down. So again, the corner stays in place. The right corner stays in place, but everything else moves on the side. So it's like that. And now R prime is you take the right side, same as the first one, but instead of going up, you take it down. So R prime is like this. And then L prime is the opposite. Instead of taking it down, you take it up. L prime is up, L is down. So yeah, that's all you'll need for this tutorial. Oh yeah, and also, I forgot to say, Y is a cube rotation. So Y means move the right side in front. So orange was on the right, it becomes the front side. And green was in the front, it becomes the left side. And then Y prime is the opposite. The green side, or the side that's in front of you, becomes the right, becomes on the right. Or the left side becomes the front side. You won't be needing these for this tutorial, but you will be needing Y2. You need to know this. It's the same thing, but instead of moving it just once, you move it twice. It doesn't matter if you do it like this or Y2 prime. It's the same thing in the end. It will take you to the same side. So like that, and then you just continue the algorithm. So let's say it's R prime, and then you do Y2. Just do that, and then do what's after it. So yeah. Now that we've got it scrambled, you want to just find the white center, which is right here, and then find any white corner, and then the white can't be on the bottom, then just bring it up. If it's on the bottom, then just try to move it around until you can get it. Like if it's like this, you might just insert it like that, but that's wrong because this does not match up. So if it's like this in the front and has to go over here on the right, then you want to move this piece out, insert this, and then put this back. And there, now you've got the first two corners. Now, insert the last two corners. And now if you've got it on the bottom, just do like that. And then bring this piece down, out of the slot, put it in, and then put this one back. So now I've got a complete white side. Okay, so now you have to solve the yellow side. So if you have two yellow corners facing up, then hold the corner that is facing in front, hold it on the right. Don't have it on the left or none. You want to have it on the right. So now you want to do this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. So if you already had it without any on the top, then you'll just have to do it once, but you hold one on the left and then one on the back like this. So they're like headlights. And then you do R prime, L, R, L prime. This is known as the sledgehammer. So now you've done the yellow side. I just got lucky with that one, but usually when you solve it, the yellow center won't actually be in place. So when it's not in place, just put it in the back and then do R prime, L, R, L prime. Then do Y2, R prime, L, R, L prime. So now you've got the yellow side complete. Now you want to solve these last three sides. So if you already have one side solved, then you want to hold the side that has the opposite colored center in the front and do the same algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, Y2, R prime, L, R, O prime. So now you've got it solved. If you have something that looks like this, where the centers are opposite, then just do R prime, L, R, L prime, Y2, R prime, L, R, L prime. And you don't need to do this on a specific side, just choose any of the 4 sides. Now just do that algorithm again. So obviously with the side that has the opposite center, prime, L, R, L prime, Y2, R prime, L, R, L prime. So now it's solved. Now if you got something that looks like this, where these 2 centers need to swap and these 2 need to swap, then do the algorithm on any side. The best is to hold one side like this, and then the top side is the side that has the swap centers with the front side. Now do the same thing, R prime, L, R, L prime, Y2, R prime, L, R, L prime, and now you've got the same case, so we do it again. R prime, L, R, L prime, Y2, R prime, L, R, L prime. So now your Skewb is solved. So this is actually really simple. So please consider liking this video and subscribing. And yeah, so that's it for today. Bye.